everyone, my name is Kirat Sagar. I am from UKG. My favorite fruit is strawberry. It is red in color and heart-shaped fruit. It is sweet to taste. Strawberry is rich in vitamin C. Strawberry used in making ice cream, jelly, jam, milkshake. Thank you.
The heart is a muscular organ. It pumps blood throughout the body. It has 4 chambers. It is the size of fist. It maintains blood pressure.
Good morning, ma'am. My dear friend, Rose is red. It is very beautiful. Sign of love. Smell like good. We all like it. It is very beautiful. Thank you. I study in UKG class. My name is Devan Chopra. Fire. This is a fire truck. It is of red color. It is of tube and water and fire extinguisher. It is help fire accidents. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kosiki. My favorite fruit is strawberry and pomegranate. Today is the red color day. So I want to say something about red color day. Red is the color of apple. I like eat apple. Red is the color of strawberry. I like eat strawberry. Red is the color of tomato. I don't eat tomato. Good morning, everyone. My name is Little Girl. Start. Strawberry is my favorite fruit. It is red in color. It is yummy and small. It is healthy fruit, small and yummy. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Pre-Nursery. My study UKG. Strawberry is the red fruit. Strawberry sweet. Strawberry very juicy. Strawberry is for apple. Round is green. Round apple. So good to eat. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Natik Yadav. Natik Yadav. Apple. Apple is flat. It's like apple. Thank you. My name is UKG. UKG. My name is Fire Truck. Fire Truck. This 6 wheels. 5 red in color. Yes. Or